Very good morning, children. Sairam, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes. So today we are going to see the notes. Okay. Notes of lesson number 11. Okay. So you can take your English notebook, pencil and eraser. And you can copy down the notes in your notebook. Okay. So lesson number 11. The title of the lesson is Who Likes the Rain? Who likes the rain? Okay. First one, new words. Okay, new words. First one, rubbers. 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 Okay. Second one, mud. 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 Okay. Third one, dandelion. 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 Fourth one, thirsty. 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 Fifth one, buds. 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 Sixth one, toaslet. Toaslet. TOUSLED. Toaslet. Seventh one, pour. 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 Eighth one, tree toad. Tree toad. TREETOAD. Tree toad. Ninth one, brook. 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 Tenth one, puddle. 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 11th one, runlet. 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 12th one, boots. 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 13th one, raincoat. 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 So have you all written, children? Yes. So you all take your English notebook and put today's date and put lesson number 11 and write the title of the lesson, Who Likes the Rain? Yes, have you all written? Yes. So the next one, meanings. Okay, meanings. First one, dandelion. Dandelion means a kind of small yellow flower. Dandelion means a kind of small yellow flower. Okay. Dandelion means a kind of small yellow flower. Okay. Second one, tosslet. Tosslet means messy. Tosslet means messy. Okay. Third one, bark. Bark. Bark means the rough outer covering of a tree. Bark means the rough outer covering of a tree. Yes. Fourth one, runlet. Runlet means a tiny stream. A tiny stream. Have you all written? Yes. The next one, give the rhyming words for. Give the rhyming words for. Okay, put the heading. Give the rhyming words for. First one, track. Track, quack. Track, quack. Second one, head, bed. Head, bed. Third one, pour, door. Pour, door. Fourth one, drop, stop. Drop, stop. Fifth one, pool, school. Pool, school. Sixth one, roof, proof. Roof, proof. Seventh one, B, C. B, C. Okay. Next, put the heading. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. First one, the red rubbers of the duck are. The red rubbers of the duck are. The answer is its webbed feet. Its webbed feet. The red rubbers of the duck are its webbed feet. Okay. Second one, the dandelion's head is tosslet because. The dandelion's head is tosslet Because the answer is the petals are dry. The petals are dry. Okay. Third one. The tree toad is safe from the rain under a. The tree toad is safe from the rain under a broadleaf. Answer is broadleaf. Okay. The tree toad is safe from the rain under a broadleaf. Okay. Fourth one. The brook likes the rain because it wants to find its way to the sea. Answer is sea. Okay. The brook likes the rain because it wants to find its way to the sea. Right? Fifth one. Ted likes to run through the dash on the way to school. Ted likes to run through the dash on the way to school. Answer is puddles. Puddles. So Ted likes to run through the puddles on the way to school. Okay? Yes. So the next one, answer these questions. So put the heading, answer these questions. Write neatly, children. Okay? Give space between two words. Okay? So first question, do you like the rain? Why? Do you like the rain? Why? Answer is yes, I like the rain because it is fun to get wet in the rain. Yes, I like the rain because it is fun to get wet in the rain. Right? Have you all written? Write it neatly. Okay, give space between two words. Okay. Second question. What kind of clothes would you wear if you went out in the rain? What kind of clothes would you wear if you went out in the rain? Answer is we would wear raincoat and gumboots. We would wear raincoat and gumboots. Okay. Third question. What sound do these animals make? What sound do these animals make? Answer is duck, quack. Duck, quack. Cow, moo. Cow, moo. Third one, hen, cluck. Hen, cluck. Fourth one, owl, hoot. Owl, hoot. The next one, horse, neighing. Horse, neighing. The last one, goat, ba. Goat, ba. So write it neatly, children. Okay. Give space. Okay. First you put today's date and write lesson number 11 and write in the next line write the title of this lesson. Okay, and then you can write it neatly. Okay, give space between two words. Okay, so write it neatly. Okay, children, and also I will share this notes in the group. Okay, you can copy down. Okay, children, so study well. Thank you.